कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितनां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि शिगौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयप्ताकसामितनामने नामाचार्यवदानिताय कृपदायिनि गौरकथाञ्चनकरकरान्ताय। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामितनामने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाङ्गचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादिभाषितदेशतारिणे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदिनतारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्येश्वरं। हरि ओम तत्सत्। Hare Krishna. First of all, I would like to thank His Grace Dishidam Prabhuji and Sarvanga Mataji and all the devotees who are present here. Although I'm just a little child in front of you all, I don't have any qualification to share any experience or any of the glories of my Shri Guru Maharaj. Though I'm just trying to become an humble servant at the lotus feet of all the Vaishnavas present over here. I do not consider myself at any point qualified to glorify or say any experience, but because you devotees have given me the opportunity to speak, I'm only speaking for my own purification. I'm not at all qualified, but because I also heard, experience and how Akashit Prabhu just shared. Actually, since when I was in 10th grade, I started hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from somewhere else, from some other sampradaya. But then gradually I asked this question to Krishna that why Srimati Radharani is not mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. So I just had this curiosity and I asked this question to Krishna, as Krishna is Srimad Bhagavatam himself. So I prayed and later I got connected to ISKCON and I heard about Srimati Radharani from his place, Moghlia Prabhu, his lecture. And then slowly and gradually I got connected to ISKCON, hearing about Kirtan, chanting, Srila Prabhupada. I started to study and read here more about Srila Prabhupada and his pastimes. I got really connected to Srila Prabhupada as in the beginning of ISKCON, like when we, in the early time, when we get connected, it is very important to establish our relationship with our Acharya and especially Srila Prabhupada because he's the founder Acharya who established Krishna consciousnesses all over the world. And by developing the great relationship with Srila Prabhupada, we can gradually develop our Krishna consciousness. So as I was just beginning my journey in Krishna consciousness, what happened is that I got this thing about Ritik Path, and I got really confused about it. And I was thinking that what should I do? I just knew one thing, and as I've heard in so many lectures, that whenever you are confused, you just pray to the lotus feet of the Lord, and that will actually help you, and that will actually guide you. Because Krishna, as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is sitting within our heart. So what will happen is that He will guide you, and He will guide you to the right path. So I prayed to Srila Prabhupada. I prayed to Krishna that I want to do genuine bhakti and I want to genuinely serve Srila Prabhupada. So what happened is that Guru Maharaj picture appeared in front of my phone, and as I saw Guru Maharaj, that was the first time I saw Guru Maharaj. And as I saw Guru Maharaj, what I didn't know anything about Guru Maharaj. I just saw that this person, he's sitting on the wheelchair. He's not, he was looking at the deities. And as I was there in ISKCON Khaga, I saw Guru Maharaj, and he was looking at the deities as he was praying and he was offering aarti to Lordship and, Shri Radha, Madan Mohan. I was seeing, and as I've heard in so many lectures, in JSS meetings and everything, I've heard from Guru Maharaj disciples. And Guru Maharaj actually prays for every living entity, every soul, that everyone should get Krishna consciousness, everyone should get Krishna, not just for his disciples, for his aspiring, disciples, his shelter disciples, his well-wisher, people who are not Krishna conscious, people who are doing most sinful activities in the world. He prays for everyone. He prays for everyone. And one time, Guru Maharaj, one of the disciples, he wrote a poem, Ashtakam for Guru Maharaj, where he wrote that गुरु महाराज जो है वो सबके मतलब अपने शिष्यों के कर्म लेने आए हैं, लेकिन गुरु महाराज ने उनको करेक्ट किया. ही सेड दैट मैं सबके कर्म लेने आया हूँ. आई एम हियर टू टेक एवरीवन्स सिन. एंड गुरु महाराज he took like taking initiation means that he is also taking my sin. So that was one thing that always scares me, that if I do not follow rules and regulations, then that is going to harm my Guru Maharaj, and I do not want that. And not like any sincere devotee who is following Krishna consciousness sincerely, who is genuinely, who wants to surrender to Guru Maharaj or to his spiritual master, they should follow rules and regulation very strictly, because as Akarsha Prabhu just mentioned that how important it is to follow the rules and regulations, because it's the loving relationship between the spiritual master and the disciple which actually opens the door for us to the Golok Vrindavan. So as I was, when I saw Guru Maharaj, I was just thinking that this person on the wheelchair, he's looking at the deities, and that itself, just looking at Guru Maharaj, it gave me so much faith. It gave me so much faith that I started to cry at that moment just by looking at Guru Maharaj. And I told Srila Prabhupada that now I know what exactly ISKCON is, where exactly ISKCON is. The disciples who have sacrificed their life for Srila Prabhupada mission, for they have sacrificed their body, so much that even Guru Maharaj is still, he's living in the body which is, totally tearing apart. Liver, I cannot mention it, but he is having so many health issues, and still he is, he's saying that even like one of the disciples, he told me that Guru Maharaj, he is actually living just for Srila Prabhupada. He is actually living just to fulfill the instructions of Srila Prabhupada. And that is what he is showing through his example. He is an acharya actually. Like through his action, he's showing us that how we should surrender and how a disciple should be. So actually he's teaching me, I'm just talking about myself, that how he's teaching me. So as I look at Guru Maharaj, then I started to hear about Guru Maharaj more and more. I, attending his lectures, seeing him on virtual meets, Zoom meetings, and Guru Maharaj giving darshan. And that moment, even a second, like his glance upon, if he looks at you, you will be just stunned, and nothing else would be like will matter at that point. It's just like looking at you, and that just one fractional second. And जैसे कि शास्त्रों में ये चीज मेंशन है, अगर आप गंगा स्नान करके आ रहे हो तो आपके पाप धुल जाते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप एक शुद्ध भक्त के दर्शन कर लो, उनका आपको ग्लांस मिल जाए, आप उसी समय वहां पे आपको मतलब गंगा स्नान हो गया आपका. तो उस तरीके से जब हम वहां पे गए हुए थे तो इट वाज लाइक कि श्री प्रभुपाद के और भी बहुत सारे डिसाइपल्स थे और गुरु महाराज वहां पे प्रेजेंट थे. और जब गुरु महाराज ने मतलब गुरु महाराज इज सो प्रेजेंट, आई वाज जस्ट सीइंग दैट गुरु महाराज इज सो प्रेजेंट एट द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. मतलब वो हर चीज को नोटिस करते हैं. ही इज लुकिंग एट एवरीथिंग. एज ही वाज इन इस्कॉन खागर, वो पेंटिंग्स देख रहे थे एंड ही वाज सेइंग दैट यहाँ पे कृष्ण की बहुत सारी लीलाएं हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे चैतन्य महाप्रभु की और भी लीलाओं के चित्र होने चाहिए. तो आई वाज सीइंग दैट गुरु महाराज इज सो प्रेजेंट एट एवरी मोमेंट. मतलब हर चीज को वो बहुत ही ध्यान पूर्वक नोटिस करते हैं. ही इज लुकिंग एट एवरीवन. एंड as I was hearing lecture from Guru Maharaj when I was sitting in front of him, I was seeing that Guru Maharaj also look at his watch every time, like when the class is about to end. So like he's so punctual about the time. So like small things जो मतलब हम अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में अप्लाई करते हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं, वो सारी चीजें मैं जब वहां पे थी तो मैं गुरु महाराज को देख के सीख पा रही थी, जो कि मुझे अभी तक मैं सीख नहीं पाई हूँ और मैं प्रयास कर रही हूँ कि मैं सीख पाऊँ. तो लाइक वो छोटी छोटी चीजें जो गुरु महाराज कर रहे हैं, कैसे वो डीटीज को मतलब जो है आरती ऑफर कर रहे हैं, किस प्रकार से गुरु महाराज जो है शिल प्रभुपाद को प्रणाम ऑफर कर रहे हैं। इवन दो ही कैन नॉट, ऑब्वियसली वो दंडवत नहीं कर सकते, बट ही इज ऑलवेज विद दिस पोजीशन। हमेशा वो अपने हाथ जोड़कर समस्त वैष्णवों के सामने होते हैं, प्रेजेंट होते हैं, शिल प्रभुपाद के सामने प्रेजेंट होते हैं। एंड his head is always like this in front of Srila Prabhupada, that in any position, like भीष्म देव जब बाणों की शैया पे थे, तो जब कृष्ण और बाकी सब पांडव वगैरह प्रेजेंट थे, तो ऑब्वियसली वह उनको ग्रीट नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन उन्होंने मानसिक रूप से प्रणाम किया था। तो उसी प्रकार से गुरु महाराज जिस भी पोजीशन में है, जैसी भी कंडीशन में है, उस कंडीशन में रहकर वे कृष्ण भावना अमृत का प्रचार कर रहे हैं, और अपने शिष्यों से भी वो यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि वे कृष्ण भावना अमृत का प्रचार करें। नॉट जस्ट his disciples, but each and every member of ISKCON, whether he is a newly joined devotee, whether he is practicing Krishna consciousness for more than 10 years, 20 years, but whoever is in ISKCON, they should preach Krishna consciousness at मतलब जितना भी उनका स्तर है, जैसे भी वो है। तो गुरु महाराज को जब मैंने देखा तो मुझे इट वाज लाइक मतलब a flood of मतलब mercy that was just coming from Guru Maharaj class. And I am just what can I say, I don't have words to explain it, that how wonderful experience it was. And I just pray at the lotus feet of Shri Radha Madhav, Guru Parampara, Shri Prabhupada, that they arranged everything for me. I couldn't have imagined that I could have just left my house, go to ISKCON Kharghar, Mumbai. I've never thought that. I always thought that I will get initiated maybe online or maybe some other way. But I never thought that I'll leave my house. That was the first time that I left my house. Some out of मतलब किसी और state में जाना. That was the first time I was traveling in the train. It was the first experience. Like everything was the first time. And मुझे realize हो रहा था कि एक जो कुएं का मेंढक होता है, तो उसके लिए जो दुनिया होती है ना, वो उसको कुआं ही लगता है कि हाँ। तो जब तक मैं अपने घर में थी, आई वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस वेरी बहुत ही कंफर्टेबली प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी। शुरुआती दिनों में तो पेरेंट्स वर नॉट फेवरेबल, बट नाउ दैट आई हैव टू इनिशिएशन, सो दे आर little bit more favorable now. They know that everything that I'm doing. But like when I was in the early time, like मैं बहुत ही छुप छुप के माला करना था। मतलब रात को मतलब सोने 4 बजे, मतलब आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं बिस्तर के अंदर हूँ और मैं बिस्तर के अंदर मतलब अपने 16 माला कर रही हूँ। कोई घर के रूम के अंदर आ रहा है और फिर उसके बाद मैं छुप छुप के मतलब ऐसे 16 माला अपना कर रही थी। और मतलब रात को फिर मंगला आरती भी ऑनलाइन ही चल रही थी, राधा माधव को ऑनलाइन देखना, फिर उसके बाद क्लासेस भी हेडफोन लगाकर अटेंड करना। और धीरे धीरे करके 3 साल हो गए। एंड देन स्कूल में भी थे, स्कूल में भी ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू preach to students and everything like that. So everything happened, like I was thinking that Krishna, मैं कब ये छुप छुप के बंद करूंगी I was like, मैं कब ये छुप छुप के बंद करूंगी, कब ऐसा होगा। लेकिन मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि हर डिवोटी का जो परिस्थिति है, जो भी परिस्थिति है, वो कृष्णा ने दी हुई है। तो जैसा कृष्णा आपको रखना चाहता है, जैसी परिस्थिति में उन्होंने रखा है, दैट इज द बेस्ट सिचुएशन फॉर अस, ताकि हम उस परिस्थिति में रहकर अपना बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट करें। डजंट मैटर कि आप आपको एकदम सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फॉलो करने हैं, बट जो आपकी परिस्थिति, अगर आप उसमें रहकर अगर आपने बेस्ट 100% दे रहा ना, कृष्णा विल मार्क यू 100% कि आपने 100% दिया है उसमें। तो मेरे लिए भी ऐसा ही था कि आई couldn't follow much rules and regulation. I was chanting 16 rounds, I was following 4 regulative principles, I was taking Krishna Prasadam for like 2-3 years, and I was also studying, I'm still studying right now. So that way I did the bare minimum, and Krishna I was always thinking that Krishna, I am doing bare minimum. I'm not even preaching. I'm not doing anything, for Guru and Gauranga. Guru Maharaj wants that every disciple should preach. So I was thinking that I'm not doing enough. I'm not doing enough. But when I got initiated, I feel like that Krishna, you have given me everything now. Like अब तो enough का भी है नहीं है, but अब जैसे मैंने इनिशिएशन लिया है तो फिर नाउ माय रियल स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी स्टार्ट। अब तक तो सारा मतलब प्रैक्टिस था, अब तो इनिशिएशन के बाद ही हमारा जो वास्तविक में आध्यात्मिक जीवन है वो शुरू होता है। तो आई आस्क एंड आई सीक फॉर द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ ऑल द डिवोटीज प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर एंड I have took a lot of time of all of you, so I'll just stop here and kindly, please, sincerely pray for me that I become a good disciple and I follow, the will of my spiritual master, will of Srila Prabhupada, and I always serve under the lotus feet of my Srila Guru Maharaj, and I remain humble and I may always preach Krishna consciousness.